need a fan because I am sweating so bad. Hello everybody, welcome back to Making It Up. I'm Isa and I am finally back. Now, for those of you who've been watching my videos, at least for the past couple weeks, you know there have been videos every single week, but I pre-filmed them because I recently went on a trip to Asia, went to Japan, and I also went to Korea. And you know, I didn't want to worry myself with filming, editing, and uploading. Just scheduled everything so that you guys could still watch me when I am not here. So I just got back. I'm super jet lagged, but I'm really excited to film again. It feels like I haven't filmed in forever. Different setting again. I am back home in Guatemala, not in New York anymore. Really sad about that, but yeah, I'm back home, back in my room. Painted it black because I really didn't enjoy the pink going on. That isn't the update that I have for you. I'm really jet lagged. I'm super hot right now, and you know what? I just wanted to do something super easy. So obviously I couldn't go all the way to Asia without buying things. Like, hello, do you know me? I couldn't just go to Korea and not buy skincare and makeup. Like, that would have been so off-brand. So I obviously bought a ton of stuff in a basket right here, and I wanted to haul it for you guys. I wanted to show you guys. I bought a ton of skincare and makeup, and I'm ready to show you guys because that's what we're here for. Let's get hauling because I'm gonna melt. I'm gonna try to start with skincare. The first thing I got is the N.M.F Aquaring Ampoule Mask S from Medi. I can't read anything, it's all in Korean, but yeah, that's the name. And I bought this because I saw it on Man Repeller. They were talking about these and how they were like the greatest thing that Korea ever invented. So yeah, I got these. They're the #1 best-selling masks in Korea. So yeah, I had to get them. I got a 10-pack. I'm gonna share it with my mom. This is supposed to be like super hydrating and yeah, natural moisturizing factor. I don't really understand anything that's going on, but I know that this is basically a hydrating mask. It's amazing. Everyone loves it in Korea, so let's see how it moisturizes my skin. I got this thing from Etude House. Etude House is such a cute store. I love Etude House. And I got this Laugh Lines Care Patch. Really interesting. I've never put anything on my laugh lines. I am really an expressionate person, as you can probably tell. I don't know if that's a word, but yeah. I have laugh lines and I want to see if this works out. Also, the little guy is kind of creepy. I like him. Okay, also from Etude House, I have the Brightening Eye Patch. That's all it says in English, at least. And these remind me a lot of the ones by Dr. Jart. If you follow me on Instagram, you could have seen a story I did like a few months ago where I tried the ones from Dr. Jart that have that little like needly things and you put them on and it's supposed to help you with your dark circles. Didn't really work for me, so just wanted to see if these work because it looks like they're like that. I'm not entirely sure that they're the same, but they kind of look like it. So yeah, I'm really excited. My eyes need all the help they can get, and this will be it. What else do I have skincare wise? Okay, I just got a few refills of my Cosrx. I never know how to say these. The Acne Pimple Master Patch. These are amazing. You can get them anywhere. You can get them on Amazon. I just needed some more, and they're obviously a lot cheaper in Korea, so I stocked up. Nothing really new, but I love them. They're the best pimple patches I've ever tried, and they're the least expensive. I went to Too Cool for School. I love that store so much. And I got this Hyaluronic Sun Serum Ultra Hydrating thing. This is a sunscreen, but it's hyaluronic acid, and I haven't really like tried this out. It looks like this. It is so pretty. Ooh, yeah, it's really watery. It doesn't feel like it's gritty. This is the weirdest thing. Okay, so just from swatching it, it is very watery. It's very lightweight, but it's really hydrating. There's no like greasy residue or anything like gray that it leaves on your skin. I think I'm going to love this one. Next, from skincare, I have the Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm in Revitalizing. Everyone talks about this on Instagram, and I just had to see what all the hype was about. You guys have probably all seen this little tub on Instagram. Their original one is the pink one, but I just got this one because I wanted my skin to be revitalized, okay? And this is just supposed to take your makeup off. It's a cleansing balm for your makeup. It smells really nice, and I just recently used up my Drunk Elephant Sly cleansing balm, so really excited for this. It was also a lot more affordable, obviously, and there's a lot of product in here, so I'm really excited to see what all the Instagram hype is about. Okay, I think this is the last thing for skincare, maybe? Yeah. I went to this, like, this central area. I don't know if it's central or not, but it was a really popular area in Korea called Myeongdong. Maybe that's how you call it. I probably butchered it, but yeah, that's where all these stores were at, and there were like 1,000 different like Etude houses, 1,000 different Too Cool for School, and there were a lot of Laneige stores. I saw like 3, and I was like, oh my god, Laneige. It's a kind of an expensive brand. They sell it at Sephora, but it was obviously gonna be a lot less expensive in Korea because that's where it's from. So I only got one thing, and I got the Laneige Perfect Renew Emulsion, and everything is in Korean, so I don't know what this does, but I'm gonna have to like figure it out and look it up. Feels like this. It's kind of like a serum-y moisturizer thingy. I don't know what emulsions do, but ooh, wow, it's so nice. It smells so good. I'll do some research on what emulsions do, and I'll probably incorporate it into my skincare routine because I mean, it's expensive and it looks like it's gonna make my skin feel so nice. Okay, so I think I'm through with skincare. Let's move on to some makeup bits. This first thing I got, I used to have this a long time ago. This is a TonyMoly Panda's Dream So Cool Eye Stick. It reminds me a lot of the Milk Makeup Cooling Stick. It's kind of the same thing, but it's like a little panda. And then you like take the top off and it's like this little thing. I just wanted to pick it back up for, you know, nostalgia, and I think it's super cute. It's gonna be a really easy product to just throw in my purse, and if I'm ever feeling like I need some refreshing under the good old eyes, then I can just bust this panda out and like, you know, refresh myself. That's weird, but yeah, cute. Also from Too Cool for School, I got this brush. This is the Art Class Micro Finish brush, and it was like a little stipple brush that I thought would be perfect for either cream blush or cream bronzer because it's just like a dual fiber. I'm not sure if it's dual fiber or if the bristles are just like faded a little, but yeah, this is what it looks like. It's kind of like a stipple brush. It isn't super dense, but it is dense enough to, you know, pack on the color, and it's so cute. It looks like such a cool brush. I've never tried any brushes from this brand before, so it's gonna be a new experience, but it feels really nice. Also from Too Cool for School, I got 2, what is the name of this? Glossy Blaster Tint. They had a 2-for-1 deal. They had a lot of really good deals at all these stores. We got a lot of samples, like extreme amount of samples. It was crazy. They also had some pretty good deals, so these are 2-for-1. These are just basically like really sheer, they're like lip tints, but they're glossy. They're amazing. So I got the shade Chai Tea Coral, which is this one, and I'm obsessed with this color. It's so pretty, like peachy. Ignore the swatch. So nice. And it smells really good too. And it's glossy and it feels so comfortable on the lips. And then I also got Dry Peony. I got like kind of bolder colors. I didn't get a lot of nudes this time. This is Dry Peony, and it's a lot rosier, which is very uncharacteristic of me. I'm not into like pinky colors, but yeah, I really like it. It smells exactly the same, and again, super comfortable on the lips. I've only worn the chai one and I really liked it, so yeah, I'm really excited to wear them more because I've been really into like stained glossy sheer lips at the moment. From TonyMoly, this is the Bling Cat Slim Up Shading Stick in Soft Brown. This is basically a contour stick, but again, it has a cute little cat design thing. I just love stores in Korea. They're all so cute. And this is basically just like a contour stick. It looks like this. I thought it was gonna be perfect for me because it's really light and it's kind of more on the cool side, which I think will be perfect for my skin because right now I have a little bit of a tan, but I'm not exactly super tan all year round. I think this is gonna be just perfect for something subtle like every day, and it looks really easy to blend. It feels really nice on the skin. It's gonna look really natural, and I'm really excited because I don't own a lot of contouring products, and they have another shade, I believe. It's a little bit deeper, but still not super deep. One thing that I find in Korean beauty is that they don't really have a lot of shade range on any of their products because most people there are like in between the same shades. So if you're a little bit deeper than me, like my sister's a lot tanner than me and she couldn't really find any base product. So yeah, that's the only downside to Korean beauty. What is next? Okay, so also from TonyMoly, they gave us like a mystery bag thingy, and inside of this came this Moschino, I don't know designer things because I'm poor. They did a collab with this brand right here that I probably don't know how to pronounce. I'm blanking on the name of these. Like the it's a cushion foundation. Yeah, that's the name. It's a cushion foundation. It's so nice. Like it has the logo right here. This is in shade 3, and it's kind of like their deepest shade, and it's basically like my shade. So yeah, that tells you a little something about this shade range. But it came with this. It comes with a little thing where you can put it on your face. And then it also comes with like a little refill, which I thought was super nice. Got this for free, and I'm probably gonna use it. I used to love, when I went to Japan a few years ago, I bought an Etude House cushion foundation and I really enjoyed it. So yeah, probably gonna try this one out and see how it goes. But yeah, it was free, man. It was freaking free. At Etude House, I also got this Dear Darling tint in, it's kind of shaped like a little ice cream, and this is in the shade, oh, I don't know. The shade, okay, everything's in Korean, but yeah, it's like this little watermelon-y shade, and it is super pretty. This is more like a true tint, so it's gonna be a little more glassy. And again, it's super like, it looks like this one, but it's a little different, trust me. They look a lot more different. This one's a lot more pink and a lot sheerer. They had a peach one that I really wanted, but my sister got it, so I didn't get it. Instead, I got this one, and it is just, it feels so nice. It looks so pretty. It really does stain your lips for a while, and I really like it. I really just love the packaging. It's so cute, and the color is really nice as well, so I'll keep you updated. Last but not least, I got one blush. I wanted to get so many more, but I've just bought so many blushes in the past few months that I know I didn't need anymore, but I still got one. This is from Banila, which is the same people from the Clean It Zero thing. And I got this. This is a frickin' blush. What is the name of it? This is the Cheer Water Cheek, and this one's in Coral Water. It is so pretty. It's an orangey blush. What else could I ever want? I thought this was a nail polish because it kind of looks like a nail polish, but this is, I'm running out of places to swatch. This is incredible. It's very watery, obviously. Like, look at that. It's so watery, but then you blend it out and it shears out just beautifully. It just shears out incredibly. It does leave a tint. It doesn't like disappear on you. It leaves an orangey tint, and it's dewy, and it's so precious, and I've never ever tried anything like this. I really wanted more, but you know, I've already bought like 7 blushes in the past few months. You don't need more, just one. Really excited for it. I really love it, and I'm kind of gutted that I didn't get any more because I know I would love them, but I have one for now. Maybe the next time I go to Korea, I can buy more. Okay, you guys, now that I have a lot of empty boxes here, we're done with the haul. We have come to the end, my friends. You've done it. We did it. Let me just get rid of all these and I can, you know, finish this off properly. Thank you so much for sticking around this long if you were able to make it to the end of this haul. I know I didn't get like a super extreme amount of things. I feel like I was able to control myself and get things that I just really wanted to try out, and I'm really happy with them. I think Korea is a great place to get some really cool makeup products and beauty products at an affordable price, and I am so excited to try these out. And I want to know what you guys think of these products. Have you tried it? Are you from Korea, or maybe you love K-Beauty and you've tried all of these before? Let me know, because I'm obviously very inexperienced when it comes to these products, so I'm really excited to try them out. But I want to know what you guys think of them as well. If you have any tips on how to use them, or if you can translate what they do, then please tell me in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. It gives me a lot of feedback. I am all swatched out, but yeah, make sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. And if you're into super easy and real makeup content, or if you want to see me try these in another video, then make sure to subscribe to never miss out on anything that I post every single week. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate that you took the time, clicked on this video, and watched it through to the end. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I love you all, and I will definitely see you in the next one, okay? Bye, everybody. Mwah. And I am sweating like a pig. Why do I do this to myself? I need to take off my pants.